Hey guys, do you like helping your friends? Me too. But have you ever said yes to too many things? That happened to me. Let me tell you about my day. Earlier that day, I felt so happy at school. La 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 la, with my backpack. I didn't know my day was about to get very, very busy. Hi, I'm doing a bake sale after school tomorrow. Would you like to help me bake some cupcakes? Yes, I'd love to. Of course. That sounds super fun. Great. We have to make 3 different flavors. Decorate each cupcake by hand. We'll need to stay up all night to finish. What do you think? Uh, yeah, okay, I'll do it. I didn't like that idea. It sounded like a lot of work, but I didn't want to say anything, so I just said yes. Great. Bye. Hey, Dollie. Hey, girl. I'm painting a huge mural for the school hallway. Would you help me after school today? Wow, that sounds amazing. I'd love to. Perfect. We'll start right after school is finished. What do you say? Yeah, um, okay. But I had so much homework that night. I didn't say anything. I just said yes again. Okay, bye. Hey, Dollie. Hey, girl. I'm trying out for soccer this week, and I don't want to do it alone. Will you try out with me? Oh, well, I kind of really wanted to try tennis instead. Please, it would mean a lot to me if you came. Yeah, okay, I'll do it. I didn't want to say no. I thought it would hurt her feelings, but I really wanted to do tennis instead. Lolly lol. Dolly, wait! Guess what? What? The town show is this weekend. Will you be my dance partner? Oh, I just already have so much to. Yeah, okay, yes, I'll do it. Oh my god, at this point, I have soccer, hallway painting, the bake sale, and now this town show all in the same week. Not to mention, I have so much homework. I just can't do this anymore. What? Dolly, what's wrong? You should be excited. You're doing so many fun things. The truth is, I wanted to say no, but I was too afraid to hurt anyone's feelings. Now I just have so much to do, and I just feel so overwhelmed. There, it's okay. Dolly, you don't have to say yes to everything. Sometimes no is the best way to care for yourself. But won't my friends be upset if I say no? True friends understand, Dolly. You can say it kindly, and remember, no is a complete sentence. I guess I realize now that I must be honest with myself and my friends. That's the spirit. Well, actually, I'll pay for an hour with you, but then I need to study, okay? Sure thing, Dolly. Hey, Amira, I can help you bake one flavor, but I can't stay up all night to do all the decorations. I'm sorry. Okay, I understand. Hey, I'm sorry I can't try out for soccer with you, but I'll be cheering you on all the way, especially at tryouts. Okay, I really wanted you to be part of my team, but I understand if that's not really what you want to do. Thank you for understanding. Hey, Jay, honestly, I can't do the town show this weekend, but I promise I'll be in the audience cheering you on. Oh, okay. That's fine. I'll ask someone else. Thank you for being honest and letting me know in advance. You're welcome. Friends, I learned that helping is wonderful, but only if you have the time and energy. You don't have to say yes to everything. You can say no. And remember, no is a complete sentence. Bye, friends. Don't forget, subscribe, like this video, and come back every week for new lessons with Dolly.